That is not normal. I don't think the ground is a problem. It's tilted to one side. So probably the ground is a problem.